Hi traders, welcome to 200forexpips.com. So guys, in this video we are going to talk about the very good indicators that really work into the forex market. These indicators are not bogus and these indicators are not unreliable. They are 100% reliable. So before starting this video, so guys, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please press the subscribe button, and if you have even not joined my WhatsApp group, and then you can guys find the link of the WhatsApp group in the description of the video below, or you have any inquiries, you can email me on info@200forexpips.com, or you can also contact me on my contact number in WhatsApp that's given in the description of this video below. Okay guys, now let's come back to the point that how these indicators actually do very well into the forex market, and we are going to talk about it. Okay, now look, this is the currently I'm on a 1 hour gold chart, and guys, you can see that the market is completely going up, and this is called the lower red boundary is called the oversold levels of the market. What does mean by the oversold levels? That from buyers can take their interest into the forex trading decisions. So you can see that the market is simply going up with no problem. Okay, if we consult the other time frames, like if you go to the 15-minute time frame, you can see the market pumped up very well. Even from the lower red boundary, you can see the market starts to pump up and finally it hit the overbought levels. But guys, make sure the higher the time frame, the more reliable will be the results. Okay, for example, you can talk about the gold trading right now. This is the hourly candle, and mostly I start my trading from the 1 hour. So at this level, I still advise that gold is still moving up, so it has chances to get a further growth. And look at the direction of the indicator, it is pumped into the upward direction, so it means that the gold has maximum chances to go up based on this trading system. Okay guys, I am using another indicator with it, that is called the trend dashboard, that is also called the currency meter, where you can check the strength of a particular commodity or currency. So for example, look at here the beauty of this trading indicators. Look, on the 1 hour it says maximum up and only we have one down sign, and if you look at the daily is completely up. That shows you the strength of gold at the moment. So you can consult both indicators, you can do exceptional very good trading with these indicators. Okay, so one more thing guys, this is not a pre-recorded lesson, this is just the live market. The market is currently live, and this is the live picture of the market, so do not think so that this is some portfolio that I'm showing that is pre-recorded. Okay, now let's have a look on Euro USD. So guys, first of all, consult this trend dashboard. Look on the all time frames, almost it is telling you up direction, and if you look there is a roll of the middle dotted line here. So this trading system says that if the market stays above the middle dotted line, then guys, the market has chances to get a further growth, and you can see that still Euro USD is going up because the hourly candles are above the middle dotted line. Okay guys, you can also scalp this trading system based on the 5-minute chart. Look, on the 5-minute the market hourly candle the 5-minute candle was closed above the middle dotted line. The next candle is pumping up. So guys, if you are a scalper, if you love to do scalping, then I prefer the 5-minute chart based on this trading system. Otherwise, if you are a day trader and you want to scalp the market and you want to take a long trading based on 1 hour, then guys, this time frame is going to be very helpful for you. Okay, at next we have New Zealand USD. Now guys, look at the New Zealand USD. So if you watch from here to here, then you can see the market was at the oversold levels of the market, where buyers have taken their interest and the market gone up. Okay, and this candle was closed above the middle dotted line. You can see there is a middle dotted line in the form of blue color. So this hourly candle was closed above, then New Zealand USD again pumped up. So this is the beauty of this trading system. And if you look at here from 1 hour to daily, it's showing you maximum up signs. It means that we should be bullish on New Zealand USD instead of bearish. Okay, at next, let me analyze the market based on Great Britain Pound USD. So overall guys, we have a big drop yesterday, and today the market again building up buying pressure. But overall, if we go to the higher time frames, then you can see it's a bit down. So you need to be careful with this, because overall the trend on Great Britain Pound USD is bearish. Okay, at next you can see USD CHF complete drop is coming, and you can see the maximum trend dashboard is indicating you that the strength of the currency is very weak. It means that you have to take the selling chances, and here the market was up. Otherwise on the other platforms it looks like to be bearish. Okay, USD CHF, if you look at here, then it's still below the middle dotted line. Below the middle dotted line means that I am going bearish. I am a weak currency. And look at here, the trend dashboard, it is also indicating you that the market can go into the downward direction. Okay, so at next I want to analyze the AUD USD. So guys, a very good part from here to here, you can see the market came into the lower red boundary and then it started to gain a bullish pressure, because this is the buying zone, this is not the selling zone. And after that you see that the candles are pumping up. It means that you have to take your buying decisions. And then this candle was closed slightly above the middle dotted line. The next candles also moved up, and right now it's into the overbought levels, but there is no downward pressure at the moment. It means that until unless the downward pressure doesn't start, you can continue your bullish trades. Okay, look at USD CHF, completely down on the trend dashboard. It means that this is the weak currency and still it's pumping up. So again guys, it's at the oversold levels, but it does not mean that the market is start to build up. Wait for the right time. Like from here the market starts to build up into the clear pattern. So this is not a clear pattern. The market is still into the weaker zone, so you can take your selling opportunities here. Look at Great Britain pound JPY. What's happening? It's pumping above the middle dotted line, so it means that you can use it for scalping. But overall this is the weak currency, because if you look at here, so you can see the maximum downs are coming. So guys, I keep myself highlighted with the long time frames and even with the shorter time frame, with the help of this currency meter, with the help of this trend dashboard as well. The red boundaries help me a lot during taking the trading decisions, and they also help me a lot when I give the signals to my subscribers. Okay, at next I'm going to talk about AUD JPY. So let me come to the 1 hour chart. So overall guys, many hours before there were very good buying chances. The market certainly went up. It was a very good chance. Even this candle was closed above the middle dotted line, and then you can see the next candles also pumped up. So coming back to gold, so guys, overall gold looks very strong to me, so it should be a good day for the trading gold into the bullish way. So hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then guys, please press the like button. And those subscribers who do not have this trading system and they want to get the copy of this trading system, they can contact me on my WhatsApp as well. The WhatsApp number is given in the description of the video below. They can join my free WhatsApp group where you can find free signals and technical analysis about the market, and also I share the success stories of my subscribers. And guys, you can also leave your email to info@200forexpips.com. So guys, thank you for watching the video. Hopefully I will be back with a new content, and please like this video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and in case of any inquiries, leave an email or you can contact me on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching this video.